All these lucky devils behind me get to go to Dorset, or get to go somewhere nice. Me? I'm going back home, which is the last place I wanted to be. Oh my god. I did this so I could escape where I live. And now, after only 3 weeks, I'm being dragged back there. I can't believe it. What the hell? Why? Why? Well, it had to happen eventually. God damn it! It's 15:48 on Monday. Bank holiday Monday, the 27th of May. And unfortunately, Ulendo's clutch is slipping. So I'm stuck on the side of the A303, just about to go into Ilchester. And I'm stuck. I can't move. I smelt the burning a bit of a while back, and I thought, he's not got very much power, this doesn't seem good. Let's pull over. I looked in the engine, smelt around, didn't see anything leaking. I just thought, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, let's keep it going. And I got down here, and I realised that I wasn't going any faster than 35 miles an hour, even when trying to push him up into 4th and 5th gear. And I just thought, sod this. I heard this slipping sound, and I'm like, ooh, is it the timing belt? Turns out no. The burning smell confirms it's the clutch slipping, and thank you Renault Traffic Group for telling me that, because I had to get their advice on it, and they all said the same thing, so yeah. Oh, dang it. He was just starting to get some dust on him as well. He was just starting to get a bit mucky and dirty and, you know, have the nice mileage really rack up on him. You know, I was really excited. I do have a clutch kit at home, but the real challenge is finding someone to actually put that clutch kit in. Because Renault Trafics are notoriously difficult in terms of their gearboxes. So yeah, getting someone who will work on Ulendo, let alone put a new clutch in, it's a challenge. It's a real challenge. Okay. At least I can make stuff to eat. Oh dear. So it is 4:30. We'll see when the recovery guy arrives. Ah, recovery's here. Shit. Oh my god. Hello, mate. Is this the one you saw? Yeah. The rather funny thing is, I didn't film it because I was trying to get, you know, stuff sorted. But the funny thing is, on the phone, the recovery guy said, Renault Traffic? Is it a really nicely restored Renault Traffic? And I said, yeah. And he said, I saw you yesterday. Thank you for coming out on a bloody bank holiday Monday. You're a lifesaver, mate. No worries. Thank you. Right. So we got Ulendo back home at the cost of £200, which is basically all that I had in my travel budget for the rest of the month. So you know, we're taking him down to Mark's because Mark has amazingly jumped in at the last moment and said, I'll do it, why not? So yeah. I didn't ask him. I didn't ask Mark to do this, as usual. I kind of just put a post out on the Renault group saying, hey guys, anyone got any recommendations? Because, as usual, I called up all the garages in my area and they were scared off by Ulendo. And he said, hey, do you want me to come over and take a look at it? So he came over the other day, he looked at the engine, he said, yeah, that wouldn't be too much of a problem to take out. We've opted to take out the engine rather than the gearbox. And yeah, hopefully we can replace the clutch. I've got a brand new clutch kit right here on the seat next to me. So hopefully Mark can do something about it. There he is. Magical mechanical Mark is back. And we're gonna fix Ulendo. Yeah, let's go. Your hat, sir.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Mark got to work instantaneously, using his new engine crane that he bought and christened specially for the job. In next to no time, Ulendo's engine was out and the slipping clutch was removed. It turned out this was Ulendo's original factory-fitted clutch, justly giving up after its long 34 years of service. I didn't film the first 3 days of work because I wasn't there. As we'd already spent the best part of a month together bringing Ulendo back from the grave the first time, I figured Mark could do with some space. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a great video, go watch it here. In those 3 days, not only did he fit the new clutch, but he also tidied up the crusty front crossmember.
Sexy.
Fitted a new timing belt, did a thorough clean of the engine, the bay, and the radiator, and then came the time to put it all back in. Spirits were high, the sun was out, and my YouTuber's temptation to get a good thumbnail was deservedly mocked by Mark and his wife. Is she looking at me?
She spotted you.
Oh, you're making me feel so self-conscious about this. I already feel weird.
It's perfectly normal to shove your head for all in a bulkhead. I mean, it's perfectly normal.
Yeah, perfectly normal. Hi, Miss Chivers. Hi, Mrs. Chivers. I'm taking a thumbnail because it's funny. It's the image for a video.
Oh, God. This is what happens when you work with a YouTuber.
Just let me take a fucking photo, you two.
I'm going in.
Are you trying to get it above the crossmember?
Above crossmember. That's a bit close.
Yes, he is a little bit. I think you're gonna.
That's fine.
Yeah, you're good.
We're in. That's about center.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. If you turn in. Yeah.
Oh, he's gone down.
Yeah, you gotta go way further down. We're doing good. I think yeah, you need to go down a bit further still.
That can't be far off. Oh, crane's on the move. Jesus Christ.
Ooh, that sounded good. Is it in?
Aye,
Is it in?
it's close.
Yeah, the bolts are lining up a bit better.
That's in.
Really?
Coke time.
So amazingly, we've managed to get the engine back in pretty much within a couple minutes, and now all we've got to do is connect everything back up. While all this was going on, I made some crucial adjustments to the electrical system, begrudgingly drilling new holes for wires to pass through, just to tidy things up a bit. Engine's pipes are now connected. Mark's also cleaned up the carburetor. We've pretty much cleaned up everything using a strong thistled brush and brake cleaner. But yeah, it's starting to look a bit more like an engine now. Rolando's face is coming back together. New clips on all the pipes. All stainless steel in the back as well, those Jubilee clips, yeah.
Everything's really cool. I'm really excited.
Pretty soon it was time to hook the remaining bits up, put the radiator back on and replace all the fluids.
He's getting a mat, it must be serious.
After a couple successful engine checks, we were ready to put Ulendo's shiny face back together and go for a test drive.
Alright, Mark is back in a Renault traffic after, what, 30 years?
Something like that.
Fantastic. First test drive with the new clutch. Let's give it a go. You treated him like a go-kart. He's moving so fast. I love it. He was never this good before.
Ooh, steering's liking it.
Yeah, power steering.
Does it need it?
Yep, temperature gauge is definitely working. It was a great, albeit surreal experience sitting in the passenger seat for once, but it wouldn't last long. Mark took Ulendo back home, did a couple final tweaks, and just like that, in under a week, my home on wheels was ready to once again hit the road. When most mechanics wouldn't even think about touching a vintage vehicle because, well, it's a lot of work to just replace a clutch, it's amazing that my friend Mark is able to come over and very, very excitedly not only do the job, but also teach me along the way, as well as catering to me, constantly running around with a camera and filming it all. He's a really good sport, a really good friend, and I've praised him plenty in the previous video, but again, I have to just say a big, big thanks to him, because without him, I wouldn't even be able to travel. So again, a million thank yous to Mark, and especially his family, who this time allowed Ulendo to take up their driveway for a whole week. I couldn't be more thankful. Thank you. Thank you for fixing my dream in my home.
You're welcome.